Good morning, my lovers. We're back out on the fields. I'm with Matt today and we're going to look for some treasure. Woohoo!
Morning, my lovers.
Wow, I think I found my first musket ball of the day. A musket ball. This is me musket ball field. Oh. Yeah, oh, it's still got a sprue on there. Oh, yeah, first ancient find for me. Lovely jubbly. Oh, I got a lovely sounding one down here. Right there. Right. Oh. Where's it to? Thought I had it pinpointed just right. Right, it was a bit deeper. Oh! Oh! Oh, I'm getting closer. Right, it's over here somewhere. Right. Can you see it? Spade job. Spade. No, can't see it yet. Must have had it by now. Oh, still down there. Just here somewhere. Oh, there she blows. Oh, it's a lovely old buckle. Yeah, a lovely old Georgian buckle. Spectacle buckle. Oh, lovely jubbly. On to the next. Oh, I think Matt's found something.
Not sure if this is modern or old. It's very green.
Oh.
So look at the little buckle. Well, looks, it's still got the pin attached.
I don't know. That's small. That's my finds.
What? Oh, what a musket ball. My fave. Oh, wow, it's a nice old buckle, isn't it?
Ah, that could be very old.
Yeah?
Yeah, that could be very old. You know, look, it's got decoration on it and all. Right. We'll have to get this cleaned up and get back to you. Right, there it is. It's got a bit of decoration on the on there. I think that could be quite old. That could be 1200s.
Wow.
What do you think, my lovers? That's the find of the day for sure, so far.
So far, just started.
Yeah, he's eager to find a hammered coin. Well, keep detecting near what you found this, you might find one.
Yeah, exactly.
Lovely jubbly. Oh, we got something nice down here. Ooh, could be a hammy, it's in the right area. Cross your fingers and toes. Oh, there's.
There it is.
What's that?
No way. No way.
Is it? Oh, it's a bit smooth if it is. Oh, no! It's a this is why I hate pesky buttons. People keep asking me, why do you hate buttons? I quite like buttons. This is why I hate them. Oh, look at that. It looks just like a hammy.
Oh, got it.
Oh, we got a lovely signal here. 1220, could be a hammy. It's a banging signal. Cross your fingers and toes. It's out. Just give it a little ease with me boot. $12.20 and it's a banging signal. Banging. Ooh, what's that there? I saw something shining. Oh, it's cack. It's a piece of cack. Oh, it's got something written on it. It's got some writing on it. It says orifice? Orifice? What's that say? Orifice. Orifice. Don't know. Oh, this sounded like cack on the surface, but I think I might have a coin. I'm not sure though. It's got a funny shape. It's got a funny shape. Sort of concave look, bent inwards. Let's give it a rub on the magic trousers, be transformed into a beautiful coin. I'm not even sure it's a coin. Sort of coinish looking. I think I can see some letters there. Look around the edge. See the letters? Is that an L? And a cross? Right, I'll give it a rubber dub dub and I'll get back to you. Yep, it's a coin. There's Britannia. And down the bottom I can see a 1775, I think. But this side is much worse. Can't see anything on there. But it's all like concave, look, all bent. So I'd imagine this is pretty old, this coin. She looks thin, so it could be a William and Mary, or just a William. Yep. Hold on, 1770? No, it can't be William, can it? There's got to be someone else. Getting me dates mixed up. Yeah, you can clearly see the 17 down the bottom there, though. Look. Lovely jubbly. On to the next. Oh, Matt says he's found a hoard.
These two in the same hole?
Oh.
In the same hole here? One's completely toasted, but you can see a head on one.
Oh, yeah.
I found that really very close by as well.
Alright, well.
I think that is cack, isn't it? But
yeah, just some old, like, well, it could be a finger ring.
you reckon?
Yeah, just oh,
Have a little look.
it's got a bit of a finger ring look about it.
Somebody with very big fingers.
Yeah, I don't know. Looks like it's got something on the inside.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah, it has.
Oh wow.
Oh. Oh. I think it might be a coin ring.
What's that?
It's a ring made of a coin.
Oh, okay. Does exactly what it says on the tin. What, someone just drills it out there?
Yeah, it says penny there, look. See that? It says penny
Wow.
on the edge. So someone has made that out of a coin. Oh, someone's beeping at me.
I'm waving.
I've got lots of landowners. Yeah, that's unusual.
Cool. And those two are in the hole together, and that was really right next to it. That's like crusty rusty that one.
Yeah, it's a crusty rusty.
And they're near as old as these two.
Right.
One's a bit of a slick, I think. See a little bit of detail on one of them.
Yeah, these will need a bit of rubbing up.
Yeah, that one's a slick, I think.
And that one's had it.
Yeah.
Right, give that one a rub on the magic trousers.
Does that count as a hoard?
No.
God damn it.
Yeah, something on there. Let it dry out and I'll give it a rub and... Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Oh, look. It's a It's a William, I think.
Wow.
Yeah, I think it's looking like a William, which is old. Right, I'll get back to you when it dried out a bit. Yeah, that is a William. William of Orange, late 1600s.
Wow, my first William.
Not bad condition this side, but this side is, other side is much worser. There's the date, there it is there. But it's a bit manky, can't quite read it. On the bottom there. Yeah, just about see Britannia. Just. But yeah, that's a nice little coin.
Oh, look at the deal on that now. Oh, God. We're happy.
He's found something. He sounds excitable.
Looks like it's made of lead. That's got a really weird pattern on it.
Oh yeah. That's a bag seal, I think.
Is it?
Yeah, it's a bag seal. It's sort of a taxation type thing.
Okay.
They used to, when they had, you know, they would sew up sacks of grain, you know, Hessian bags of grain, and they would seal it. So there'd be a bit of metal sticking out here somewhere.
Okay.
See the gap?
Yeah.
You just squeeze it and then it clamps.
Okay. What's the pattern there? It's just whatever the company was with.
It's a little bit, yeah, there's some writing on there. It's a bit mangled. But that's what that is.
Cool.
Oh, I'll come over where you want then.
Yeah. It's laser signal's going.
Woo! Woohoo! Oh, he reckons he got something here.
Something decent here, I reckon. Hopefully, anyway. Weird things on, aren't they?
Yeah. Oh, right, it's in there. I'm just about to hear it squeaking.
Sounds a bit creaky, doesn't it? It's in there. Hopefully that's a root. Oh yeah, it's a top of a mood tube then.
Getting closer.
Getting closer, mate. Oh.
Ooh.
What was that? No, what was that? Is it recording that? What was that? What is that?
What is that?
Oh, it's green.
It's green. Oh, it's definitely green.
Yeah.
Ooh.
It's a thing.
It's a buckle. I think it's a buckle. I think with that notch there. But what that is, looks a little bit Saxon. I'm not sure. All right, let's get it cleaned up and give you a closer look. Looks a little bit Saxon. A little bit Saxon. I don't know. What do you reckon, my lovers? Is that Anglo-Saxon? Don't know. On to the next. Oh, just as Matt found that signal, I got another one over here. Looks like a hammy.
You better not be.
Oh, hammered coin would be nice. Oh. It's gone. Lost it. Looks like cack.
shallow, isn't it?
Oh. Nope. Oh.
Where's it going?
Where's it to?
Where is it to?
Oh. Oh no, I've lost it.
Not having a good day.
Oh, I'll get back to you when I find the pesky thing. Oh, it's one of those pesky things, look, bullet casing. Rim fired. Oh, sun's going down. See, their screen is quite bright now, look. So it might have to be the last hole. But it's a sweet one. Oh, I could have a hoard. Oh, it's still in there. Oh. Oh, what's that there? Ooh. Ooh. Huh. What is it? It's a piece of cack. Let's give it a quick rub on the magic trousers. Be transformed into a lump of silver. No, that didn't work. There's a strange looking lump of cack. It's got like a sharp edge there. It's not particularly sharp. No. Whatever that is. Whatever that is. Oh, I think me lovers, it's getting dark. Doesn't look very dark on the camera, but I can assure you it is getting, sun's down, and I got head off because it's starting to get darker. And the way I go home, there's a few potholes in the lane. I don't want to go over it on my bike. Potholes, you know, deep ones. So I'm going to be heading off soon. Matt's still over there doing a bit of detecting. And when I've packed up my bike, we'll do the outro. If he's quite a way off though, like a quarter of a mile away. So yeah, we'll be heading off soon. I'm going to have a cup of mint tea. Ugh. Yeah, a nice cup of mint tea, and then I'm going to be packing up, and I'll be back out tomorrow with Matt on this field, hopefully. Yep. Oh, yeah, it's a nice drop of mint tea. Oh, overfilled that a touch. Oh. Oh, there we go. Oh, chucking it all over myself. Oh, wrong one. So I'll be packing up and be rushing home to get, oh, here he comes, to get the video up and online. Cheers! Oh, that's it, me lovers. We're going to head off. Oh, is it focusing?
Focus.
Focus. Right. That's it, me lovers. We're going to head off. And we'll see you in the morning. Me and Matt will be back out tomorrow. Cheers! Cheers.